Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Rockstar Game launch failed to initialized error. So for that you have to do one thing, just simply open the game with run as administrator. If it doesn't work, then you can do one thing, is just simply uninstall the launcher and reinstall. To uninstall the launcher, press your Windows button, search control panel, then on the bottom you will see uninstall a program. So after entering into the uninstalling the program, search for Rockstar Game Launcher and simply uninstall by right clicking on it. After the uninstallation process is complete, re-download your Rockstar launcher by using your Steam or Epic game which you are using to play GTA 5. So by this way you can solve this problem. Thank you for watching the video.